Hi everyone, here we've got SONY Xperia C5 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom in order to find the system section. Now let's tap on language and input and enter language. And as you can see, immediately we've got the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So actually all we have to do right now is simply tap on the language we would like to set and tap on accept probably, and as you can see, it immediately changes, and from now on the whole system is in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. Let me change it to English again. Let's tap, for example, on Canada, whatever, and tap on OK. And as you can see, the same situation, the language immediately changes. So actually, this is it. This is how to change system language in your SONY Xperia C5 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.